Hey guys, I'm out here on the creek fishing down in South Carolina low country, doing some saltwater fishing, and I just realized that the neck mount that I use for all my reviews, which I was just doing a few reviews on some fishing stuff, I've never actually done a review of this, and it's like one of my favorite products I own. So anyways, just wanted to kind of show you what it looks like. And so, you know, it's got this little pad back here, and then it's got the extension and then the MagSafe attachment, so you can spin that around. Okay, really cool. This actually pivots. Okay, so you can pivot this up and down and around, and then this pivots right there, and then the whole arm pivots too. Okay, super cool because this gives me all the different angles that I need, and allows me to make like quick videos and just snap it on there and go. So I'll snap it on here just so you can see. And so see, both hands free. You're all up in my face, sorry about that, but it works, and I can put it to the side or whatever I need to do, right? Obviously I can just flip the camera around and face it the other way too, and that's how I record most of my reviews. So anyways, I love this product. I will also show you, let's see, let me take it back off, show you how it comes off. So it's literally, you just pull right there, okay? And it clicks in like so, and then it's nice and stable. It's got this chest pad here. I said a neck pad, but it's actually got the chest pad, which is nice because it goes up and down like that, so it'll sit on your chest real nice. And then this neck pad is like a really soft rubber that's really comfortable, and it's also totally bendable. So I've also hung this from things and used that to like kind of wrap it around something, kind of like that, and be able to shoot a video as well when I didn't have my tripod. So anyways, I could go on and on, but I absolutely love this product, and I would highly recommend it.